Hi everyone. So these are my two projects that I'm working on in 2024 going to 2025, where I'm going to be building my mother a house, and the other one is where I'm going to be summiting on Mount Kili in support of empowering girl children to stay in school. Your support will be highly appreciated.
Remember Brucella.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this simple gradient effect in Photoshop, where you can add it on posters like this, which are vibey and are for events, or you can add it to subtle posters like this or this, or you can add it to corporate posters like this one. So let's get started.